Hi, I'm Wendy Neckers, and I am an artist in Corry, Pennsylvania. I also own the art gallery called Painted Finch Gallery and Epiphany's Emporium. I had the opportunity to design a bench which is in the style of a dragonfly. So I looked at a photograph and just kind of thought, now how would you be able to incorporate that in the back of the bench? And then how would I be able to create arms and legs that would look more organic, like blades of grass? I am really looking forward to the next phase of bringing the design to the engineers and working with them. And I just love collaborating and working with people. So I think it's going to be very exciting to see it come to life.
My name is Melissa Vale.
And I am Eric Vale.
My design was an octopus with steampunk goggles and a top hat, which will be used as a splash pad for younger kids.
And the inspiration for mine was one of the steampunk staples that I love. You know, throw a lot of gears at it to start with, but then once I got to the airship, that was kind of what I settled on.
To work in partnership with local manufacturers is exciting. I have a concept in my head. We have the drawing. Now it's about, okay, what materials are going to be the best materials to use? How do we bring this idea to fruition?
I'm excited to see what they can do with it. Hopefully they'll be just as excited to make it look nice.
I'm Carol Fielding. When I think steampunk, I think sprockets and watch parts and gears. And so I pictured a round gear with the sprockets sticking down underneath. For the organic part, there are a lot of chrysanthemums in this area, so I thought a large chrysanthemum coming up out of the center with the petals at each point of a number on a clock.
I'm Charles Eurydice Gray, and I'm the Executive Director of Impact Corry. My concept is a large cast iron Victorian gazebo on which are hung swings. And above you, in the top of the gazebo, are fairy lights. And then swinging on the benches below light up the fairy lights. Then on top of the dome, there's going to be a huge butterfly with solar panel wings. And they activate LED lights that are embedded all the way up into the dome. So it becomes kind of a community project to get the whole dome and the whole gazebo lit up. How do I feel about the next phase? I'm going to say excited, because that means I'm getting matched with someone who's an engineer who knows how to make all these things work. And we're going to find a way to make it happen.
What this project means to me, Corry is becoming a destination.
It's just such an awesome community, and I just felt like if I could put something beautiful that people would enjoy in the community for years to come, that would be a really neat way to give back.
We've created something that will be here beyond ourselves.
Yeah, they should outlive us.
Yeah, exactly. And that's wonderful to contribute to the community in that way.
I think this project is so important to our community, and I love the fact that the artists have had an opportunity to design, and that this is going to be a very unique garden space and something that Corryites will be proud of, as well as the artists and the artisans that were involved in the process and the engineers. I think it's a wonderful collaborative piece for our city.
We're able to create amazing pieces of art that people can interact with and say, I've never heard of Corry. Isn't this a great place? I want to come back.
We are extremely excited to see where Corry is heading.
Absolutely. And be a part of it. It's fun. It kind of keeps the energy levels up.
Absolutely.
It is moving forward with the times, and that's what we're trying to relay. So these artworks by all the artists are important, because what they're saying is we are a steampunk community with innovation. We are showing everything on our outsides about how we work. We're celebrating the Victorian era and the beauty of machinery, and imbuing it with playfulness and artistry and innovation.